So I'm here at my Avon rally that we're having, and it talks about basically the campaigns to come, which is like the Christmas stuff going on. So I here with my, I'm gonna say my Black Lives Matter shirt, in a sense, but it'll be fun just to check things out to see what's new and coming up for Christmas, because we all want to see what's coming up, right? So stay tuned.
Oh, you look at chips. You upset? It's just little chips. Not really good.
Oh, this is the owl they have for the fundraiser. There's the Christmas tree. And look, we got all kinds of goodies. Let me get over here and see some stuff before everybody else starts doing it. Oh, look at this we have. Ooh, that's a nice little smell.
I want it.
Oh, just for Christmas.
And I want it.
Excuse me. Oh, this is going to look nice in my new house.
Mira, este lo quita para este.
Oh, look at the Coca-Cola.
Si lo quiere ver.
Viene bonito, mira.
Nice.
Es esto de la crema nomás.
Oh, beautiful. Spa treatment at your house. Oh, I need those bracelets. Oh, another Coca-Cola. Oh, this is nice. Necklaces. Beautiful. Green eggs. Getting ready for Christmas. Oh, there's the black girl. She's ready for Christmas. Definitely unique. Peace and harmony. Hey, that's for winter.
Va, ya voy.
Almost done. Black pearl. Oh, Christmas tree. And this is the new product that we have for skincare. We got so much stuff here. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do all of it. New perfume. Sophia. Gotta definitely check it out. Oh, make it good. Thank you. There's a new musk cologne. They all smell so good on my look and sexy and alpha. Ooh, this is a lot of stuff. This is all stress release, and you know, we all got that stress going on. We got some kind of stress going on. And we got the makeup. And the glam plan. And this is nice. Wish they didn't have that recording in the background. But, you know. Hey, that's my department, nail design. Okay, I'm almost done. Oh, dark roast. It smells like coffee. And that's peppermint mocha. Woodland treat. Cranberry. Dark roast. Smells like coffee. Cranberry. Woodland retreat. Peppermint mocha. Oh look, we got different flavors. Here's our reps. This is what we do. This is what we look forward to every year. Yep, those are the prizes. That's what I want. Something over there. And these are all the people at the office that we have. So we'll see it later. Maybe somebody will actually be come out and show us what the clothes actually look like. Oh, and I like the napkins. Look at this. That would look cute in my banister. But I don't know if I'll be at my new house by then. These are cookie cutters. These are mugs. You see what they look like? These are mugs. Well, see more. Now, I just wanted to show you that one of the reasons why I like going to our little rallies and whatever we have there, we always get a bag Okay, so once again, we get free stuff. They give us information about things that are coming about in the next campaigns, and they always give us something free. And what I got free was I Am a Fabulous bracelet, Be Bold. This is my bracelet that I got that's free. And then they always have little raffles. Once we fill out these little flyers, and we have several ones with our different brochure information, get holiday ready, must have gifts for the season. You know, we have good things coming on, and I didn't want to pay all this money because I'm in the process of getting my home. So I did order this one, Decorate the Home. And you see it has a little tear off part. You tear it off, they put it in a box, and they of course asked me to put my hand in there, pull it out, and look, I actually won something. It's called a new clinical eye lift, what I like to try. Hopefully this actually works for me. And then they also had another tear off here at the bottom. I didn't want to fill it out because like I said, I'm in the process of purchasing a home, and they actually tell you that when you're in the process of purchasing a home, you don't want to go out splurging, because then they're going to make it seem like, you know, you can't really afford to purchase a home if you're out still spending money. So this one is the Holiday Spectacular with these new products that are coming out. Well, they're already out, but they're only out for Christmas. So you fill it out, put your name in a basket, and somebody pulls their name. And no, I didn't want to fill out that one, but I did get a prize. Look at this one. This is like really big. The nice Christmas bags. And let me show you what I won. This is what I like about going to these things. Dancing broomstick. If you remember, I made a video years ago. We had a broom, and it's a talking one. It talks all to itself, and it dances around while you're sitting there doing whatever you're doing for Halloween. So, and another thing about the little bag is you get products information, Holiday 2016, that lets you know about Selling Success Guide. You know, it gives you ideas of things that you can sell, that they want you to sell to make things good for you. So thanks for checking me out. Like my page, leave a comment if you have any questions, subscribe to my channel, and like everyone else, share on your social media. Thanks for checking in, and hope you enjoy my video. Bye. Sorry I don't have no lipstick, but oh well.